Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to the show. Today's video is a little bit different. Fernando and I were invited by our good friends at Focal Masconi and Gladen out to Mobile Solutions in Arizona. And we were out there to do some filming. They have a training out there that dealers can qualify to go to. And of course, to create some excitement for it, we filmed a whole bunch of stuff. It was a lot of fun, and we had a good time, and I thought I'd share it. So I took some of the videos that we put together, and they're here for you to watch. Thanks for watching, guys. And as Fernando always says, on to the next ones.
Hey, I'm Al from SMS Cardio, Marrero, Louisiana. We're here at the Masconi training, learning how to fab with Brian. Well, we're here for the Barney training, learned a lot about the all-pass filters, which is the newer vehicles. Sage and Hamad, thankfully they were here to teach us about these things. If you're not taking this class, take it. You're not trying to better your future, better your business, take this class. Network with people, get to know people. That way you can get out and better your business. If you're not bettering your business, you don't care about your business. Thank you to everybody that came out, Nalika for hosting it, inviting us, Brian for using this building, teaching us all his tricks, Dean and Fernando for coming out, teaching us clean wire and how to better our business.
Hi, my name is Chris. I work at Advanced Car Stereo in Moreno Valley, California. We're here at Mobile Solutions. I think it's one of the greatest opportunities I've ever been a part of. 14 years I've been doing this, and I wish I would have done it year one, because the knowledge that you grab here, you can't get anywhere else. You have experts from around the world that are literally here to help you better your business, and they teach you within a timeline that'll blow your mind. And I'm grateful that I'm here today. First thing I'm gonna go back is the wiring. I think the wiring is the most key, pivotal part of you being able to represent your business on how you take a customer's vehicle and you take care of it, and you can literally put your own mark, as Dean taught me, that you could do your wiring in a way that promotes your business. You put your name on it. And I think that's the biggest thing that I got to take away from here. Not excluding the Barney, of course. Not excluding all the fabrication, because it's the first time I've ever fabricated in my life. And you get to appreciate the artistical flow that literally will change your life. And I'm grateful I came here. Thank you, Mobile Solutions. Thank you, Nalika. Thank you, Sage. Thank you. I can't go on to thank everybody, because I'll be here all day. I've met people that I'm going to take for the rest of my life. The good and the bad. Mostly good, because everybody here is really nice. Dean, he's going to be the one I take the most from. Like I said, I really am focusing on better wiring for my shop. Everybody, please, if it's not a priority, make it one. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jason Grade. I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada. I work at Luso Auto Spa and Design. I'm here at Barney Training. I have learned all kinds of things here this week. All the little nuggets, all the people that are here, the things that we were here to learn about the Barney. There's just a wealth of knowledge here. One thing that I did learn is little tape tricks that are so simple and they make so much sense that I never knew before. There are things that you can implement every day. I've had a good time meeting people, networking, being here working on our projects. Everything here from start to finish, like, it's not a bad time. There's no time to have a bad time. You're too busy. If you're not doing this, man, I gotta tell you, you're missing out. You need to be here. Everybody that does this for a living needs to be here. I'd like to give a big thanks to all of our trainers, Brian, Nalika, Dean, Fernando, like everybody that's here. They all do such a good job. Thank you, guys.
I'm Joe. I'm from Absolutely Creative Customs in Boulder, Colorado. Here at Mobile Solutions doing Orca Master Tech training. I've had a great time making the panels, learning under Gary Bell, Brian, Sage, everybody. Barney's been phenomenal to learn. Oh, there's been several nuggets I've taken away. The stitching class has been amazing. Clean wiring class has been amazing. If you didn't make it to this class, you definitely want to make it to the next one. Thanks, Nalika, Brian, the whole staff, all of the guys here that showed up, put in the time and effort.